He's not put three of them. He's doing okay, isn't it?
Oh, he's actually nearly there.
Yeah, you're away.
Get the regenerator hot, you see, and also cold water going through, which is because it's quite hot at the moment, that cooler. It's been standing at half an hour. That noise is the clutch, not the engine.
Right. Which is
125mm bore,
right.
70 stroke.
70.
PTFE piston belt, Rulon piston belt. Not lip seal. How to make a more efficient drive system than all this.
Yeah.
Get the ratios correct. Get a prop that runs anti-clockwise so I don't have to cross the belt.
Yeah.
And then use a washing machine fan belt, the thin belt.
Right.
Which is a very efficient flat belt system, isn't it? It's very less friction. This isn't ideal. So gradually as it loads up, then I'll switch the lamp on and load it even more. Once it can run that lamp, I know it's quite powerful enough to run the prop. If it won't run the lamp yet, I shouldn't think. Because it won't.
Oh yes, you can really hear it drop, yeah.
Just keep it going a bit more. There's a lot of friction in all this. It's like ever so inefficient. Running a dynamo with a friction drive, all this nonsense. It's got to be sorted out. Also the ratio's a bit high. That pullei's a bit too big. This is a faster revving engine than the previous one, which was a 6-inch bore.
Yeah.
And this is as powerful, if not more so, but it needs to run at faster revs. It needs to be doing 600 and the prop 400 to get 2/3 to 1.
Right.
You know, 60.
Yeah, that is. It's a lot faster than Julian's one. Julian's is like 150 or something.
Oh, much faster. Yeah. I'm just running at 950 RPM on the bench, which is too fast, and I don't want it to run over rev. In fact, if the belt comes off, I'll stamp my foot against the throttle and stop it over revving. I don't want to wreck the engine.
No.
Months of work down the drain. It's a braking system. It's got the double rudder system on it.
Oh right, yeah.
So you can just pull both rudders together and load the engine and stop the boat, but still keep the engine under load. It's really useful. But we're getting there now. We can light the bulb.